lost in this world with no purpose, feeling worthless, with no understanding in life. I've never had anyone to turn to. I can't think of one who's truly a friend. I'm all alone, I'm on my own, full of sorrow, filled with pain. This can't be all there is, there must be something more than this. Is there anyone who can help me believe, believe, believe in the one who can save me? Believe, believe, believe in the one who is faithful. Sometimes I fear for my life as I sit in darkness. Sometimes I feel like the night will never end, but your darkness can be turned to light, and your light to love and mercy. You'll have purpose in your life when your life is filled with light. You stand in the presence of the King. Believe, believe, believe in the one who can save you. Believe, believe, believe in the one who is faithful, and you walk in the newness of life.